Hello guys, it's me, Berserk Breza, and today I am going to just tell you that like the permission level thingies that you might be facing. So like when you try to play some games, it's not gonna allow you. I've heard on the forums that you must be 13 and older to play on non-filtered games because exploiters can randomly do inappropriate things, so they can't do unfiltered stuff. So that's why they changed it. So you gotta be 13 and older to play non-filtered games. So I just recommend you make a new account, make it 13 and older, and play those games. And just note that you're taking a risk that you might be with an exploiter doing very bad stuff. So yeah. You can, then all you have to do is wait until you're 13 and older and you can play those games on your main account. You don't have to play games that's not filtered on your main account. You can just make an alt and play. So, well, thank you guys for watching. This is a random video, and peace out.